Danish Go Rounds, introduced by Kellogg's, aim to be a sophisticated pastry choice for adults with a variety of flavors and appealing toppings. Nevertheless, they face tough competition from the immensely popular Pop-Tarts. In contrast, Kaboom's cereal, well known for its vibrant circus theme, captivated children with its fun shapes and delicious flavors. Despite its success during the 90s, the cereal was discontinued in 2010 due to declining demand. Meanwhile, Mapo oatmeal rose to prominence in the 1950s, celebrated for its sweet maple flavor and engaging marketing. Its low-fat, non-GMO formula attracted health-conscious families, solidifying its place as a breakfast favorite. On a different note, Spam can be transformed into a crispy delight through pan frying, frequently paired with eggs and rice, showcasing the versatility of this ingredient. The simple recipe often includes soy sauce and brown sugar. Additionally, the tradition of steak and eggs gained traction in America after World War II, featuring a hearty combination of beef steak and fried eggs, frequently garnished for extra flavor. This dish became a diner staple throughout the 1970s. Furthermore, Brim coffee, a decaffeinated option popular in the 1970s, provided a robust flavor without the caffeine buzz and was recognized for its catchy marketing slogan. Although it disappeared in the mid-1990s, the brand experienced several revivals. The marketing campaign for Freakies, orchestrated by a creative agency known for its engaging TV commercials, significantly raised the cereal's profile among children. These advertisements played a pivotal role in establishing the brand's identity. However, attempts to resurrect Freakies in the 1980s fell short of recapturing its original allure, underscoring the difficulties associated with rebranding nostalgic products. Even today, the cereal is remembered as an iconic piece of pop culture. In the realm of breakfast options, bran muffins, which emerged in the 18th century, quickly became a favored choice, celebrated for their health benefits and diverse flavors. Their popularity surged in the 1970s as nutritious alternatives. Meanwhile, the sausage and egg McMuffin has solidified its status as a beloved item on McDonald's breakfast menu, praised for its harmonious blend of savory flavors. This dish artfully combines sausage, egg, and cheese on a toasted English muffin. Similarly, breakfast fondue gained traction during the 1960s and 70s, providing an engaging dining experience. Diners delighted in dipping bread or fruit into warm melted cheese or chocolate, creating a fun breakfast ritual. In a more contemporary approach, French toast sticks offer a modern twist on the classic breakfast dish, making it quick and convenient for on-the-go enjoyment. They encapsulate the familiar taste of French toast in a portable format. Offering a new format, Grape Nuts Flakes catered to consumers seeking a nutritious breakfast option. This variation retained the original ingredients while adding sugar for a sweeter taste, appealing to diverse palates. Additionally, Eggo waffles, introduced in 1953, emerged as a breakfast staple, renowned for their convenient preparation and delightful flavor. Their eggy taste and fluffy texture contributed to their enduring popularity. Meanwhile, wheat germ gained prominence as a health food throughout the 1950s and 60s, recognized for its immense nutritional benefits. It became a popular supplement in cereals and smoothies, appealing to health-conscious consumers. The introduction of innovative flavors like strawberry blasted and chocolate honeycomb reflects the brand's commitment to adapting to consumer preferences, despite facing criticism. These variants aim to rekindle interest in the cereal market. Moreover, effective marketing strategies employed memorable mascots and catchy jingles, enhancing brand recognition and consumer engagement. These tactics played a crucial role in shaping the cereal's nostalgic significance. Lastly, fortified oat flakes, also launched by Post Holdings, were lauded for their nutritional content and unique flavor, fostering a strong consumer following. Many enthusiasts still long for the return of this cherished cereal.